Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome to the Real Kitchen, home to delicious food made simple. Today we are going to make suqaar. Suqaar is one of the most versatile dishes in Somalia. It can be served alongside anything, most famously served with anjera, also known as lahoh. You can also have it with Somali pancake, chapati, or simply serve it with rice. As usual, you will find the ingredient list in the description box below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. And now let's go over the ingredients. Suqaar is simple dish, easy to make and very delicious. You need few basic ingredients. First of all, we need some beef that's been cut into small cubes. We need some potatoes, onions that's chopped similar size, mixed peppers, green, red, yellow, and some lemon, some water to add a bit of moisture, some tomatoes, ginger and garlic that I have grated, some coriander, some for garnishing and some whilst cooking the suqaar. And these are the following spices: some oil, ground coriander, cumin powder, salt to taste, black pepper, chili powder which is optional, some paprika. And now let's start making our suqaar. Place your pot on the cooker on a medium to high heat, then add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add your onions. Now cook the onions for a few minutes. Once you add the beef cubes in the pan, stir for a few minutes until color changes. This can take about 10 minutes or so. Place the lid on as this produces more liquid and also allows the meat to cook faster, but you don't want to keep the lid on for too long as it will create too much liquid. Keep stirring occasionally. As you can see, the meat is changing color. It also produced some liquid and that's very good. Next we will add some lemon juice. Lemon juice gives your food more flavor. And then we'll give a quick stir. After that we will add some ginger and garlic that I have grated. You can also use a chopped one. Even though always use the fresh one, it gives your food more flavor and more taste. And then next we will add some fresh tomatoes. At this stage you can use any vegetables of your choice such as zucchini, carrots, sweet potatoes, anything you want you can use. Just make sure that all the vegetables are similar size so they can all cook at the same time. And then we will add our potatoes. Once you add the potatoes, we will add our spices. Now let's add all of our spices. We will add our paprika, chili, black pepper, salt, ground coriander and the cumin powder. Once we've done that, we will give everything a quick mix. After that, we will add some fresh coriander. I'll be adding some coriander now and some later on for garnishing. And then let's add some water. Water will allow the vegetables to cook as well as the meat so it can be more tender. And now we'll let the suqaar cook for about 20 minutes on a medium heat, and you want to make sure it's covered. Also remember to stir the suqaar gently halfway through. If you need to add little water, don't be afraid, as long it will cook your potatoes and the meats. Our suqaar is almost ready. Now all it's left is to reduce the heat and let this cook for about 5 minutes. and we will be adding our mixed peppers very soon. But I want to show you guys close up how the meat is looking. The suqaar, the meat cubes are looking nice and tender. There's still a little bit of water, just enough moisture, you don't want too much liquid, and the potatoes have cooked. And finally we will add our mixed peppers. Sometimes I like to add the mixed peppers once I have turned the heat off, and that way the peppers will be a little bit crunchy. If you like that, try that as well. As you can see, the suqaar is almost ready, and I'm adding a little bit of coriander again. I love adding coriander to my food, it gives so much flavor. I'll be serving my suqaar today with anjero. If you have not seen my anjero tutorial, there is a link in the description box below. You can now enjoy this as breakfast, lunch, dinner, however way you want. And I'm sure if you serve this to your loved ones, they will definitely appreciate. Do you understand, guys, when I say suqaar is a versatile dish? If you made this, it will be perfect with any dish that you make. Now it's time for me to serve this, and I'll be serving this again with some anjero fresh from the pan. That's very important. If you serve this to your mom this weekend, she will love it. Surprise your parents this weekend with some anjero and suqaar, and that will make their day. So try that, guys. Or for those married ladies, don't forget to serve this to your husbands. Or the husbands, don't forget to serve this to your wives. There's always an occasion for suqaar. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. If you want to see more great recipes, let me know what recipes you want to see. Goodbye, guys.